None of us want to believe that it would be possible that a woman could be victimized in front of her children, and then the batterer is the person who received custody. It gets back to judges not being trained, to child welfare not being trained, because what happens is the batterer is cool, calm, and collected, looks very nice, probably smells nice, you know, a very likable. You know, our batterers facilitators tell us they never meet a batterer that's not likable. These are likable men. And the women, due to the trauma that they have suffered normally for long periods of time before they ever report this to the police, the women are traumatized. As a result, they cannot recall details in chronological order. They may be crying. They may have no affect at all. They may appear to be inappropriately laughing in front of the judge, but it's a trauma reaction to the trigger, because when they're coming into court and they're having to tell about their trauma, what brought them there, then that's a trigger. Then they're feeling physiologically in their brain, they're feeling the same trauma standing in front of the judge that they felt when he was beating her for the past 2 years. And judges have removed their children. The children are in foster care in Oklahoma most of the time. So we have a woman who appears to act inappropriately in front of the judge, and the batterer acts like a perfect gentleman. Therefore, the judge makes the decision to place the children in this home. And we know the effects of trauma upon these children. We know the effects on infants, on teenagers, on young children of being raised in this home, and now they're being placed to be raised in a batterer's home without the mother's supervision. You know, we know that the mothers feel that many times they don't report domestic violence because they know at least they'll be able to protect their children from the father, because we know that domestic violence, child abuse go hand in hand. Those two are most always present. But a report is made to the police, the children go into foster care, or a divorce is filed. And so mom has gone from being the primary custodian to many times having supervised visitation with her own children while the batterer has free reign. It makes no sense. In law, in logic, there's no sense to this.